What is helium liquid? Helium is a noble gas and has a very low boiling point, around 268.9 degrees Celsius, 452 degrees Fahrenheit, at standard pressure. This is close to absolute zero, the lowest temperature possible. At temperatures below its boiling point, helium gas can be cooled and condensed into a liquid. Liquid helium is often used in various scientific and industrial applications, such as cooling superconducting magnets in magnetic resonance, imaging, MRI, machines, cooling experiments in physics research, and in cryogenic applications. Why liquid helium is used in MRI machines. Magnetic resonance, imaging, MRI machines use liquid helium for cooling purposes to maintain the superconducting state of the magnets. The key component in an MRI machine is the superconducting magnet, which generates a strong and stable magnetic field. The superconducting state is achieved when certain materials, such as niobium titanium or niobium tin, are cooled to extremely low temperatures. Friends, how did you like this information? And share and subscribe our channel for more information.